Hey there, future engineers. Today, let's dive into how production volume shapes plant layout. It's a crucial aspect that can make or break efficiency in manufacturing. Ready? Let's go. First up, job production. Think low volume, high variety. Imagine producing 100 units a month, but with 10 different products. Here, flexibility is key. You'll see flexible general-purpose machines like CNC machines and universal testing machines. Material handling? Manual or flexible systems like forklifts and conveyor belts. Now, the workflow design is often flexible, U-shaped or circular to accommodate different products. The labor force is multi-skilled and adaptable, ready to handle various products. Quality control, it's all about inspection and testing. A classic example would be a job shop producing custom machine parts for various industries. Next, let's talk batch production. Here, we're dealing with medium volume and medium variety, say 1,000 units a month across 5 different products. Equipment is semi-specialized, like batch processing equipment and robotic welders. Material handling becomes semi-automated with systems like palletizers and automated storage and retrieval systems. The workflow design is often linear or L-shaped, offering some flexibility. Labor is semi-specialized with some adaptability. Quality control balances inspection and testing with process control. Picture a manufacturer producing batches of automotive parts like brake components and engine mounts. Finally, we have mass production. Here the game is high volume, low variety. Think 10,000 units a month, but only 1 or 2 products. Equipment is highly specialized. Think assembly lines and high-speed packaging machines. Material handling is fully automated with high-speed systems like conveyor belts and robotic palletizers. The workflow design, linear and straight line with minimal flexibility. Labor is highly specialized with little adaptability. Quality control focuses on process control and automation. A prime example would be a consumer goods manufacturer producing large quantities of standardized products like beverages or personal care items. So there you have it. Understanding production volume and its impact on plant layout helps manufacturers design efficient facilities that meet their specific needs and support their business objectives. Keep this knowledge handy as you venture into the world of engineering. And remember, the right layout can transform a production plant into a powerhouse of efficiency. Thanks for watching and see you next time.